Get ready with me, guys. It's market day. Yay! So, guys, we are going to the textile markets, okay? So, let's not waste time. Let's get started. So, guys, I am walking to the junction. It's about 5 minutes walk. So I've seen some pragya coming, and he actually asked whether I'm going to the junction, and I said yes. He said hop in, and I hopped in with my kid sister, and guys, we moved. Guys, we are at the motorway now. So finally we are at the market, okay?
Tasty, I like that. This side here, do any say cheese.
So guys, we are home now. So I washed all my vegetable under running water, okay? Each vegetable I bought, I washed them very well under running water. Most of the time I use vinegar and salt, but then I wasn't having any there wasn't vinegar in the house, so I used running water and I washed it very well.
Fire, and you never go dey tire. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know Kura, you go know. We go make you feel so right. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know Kura, you go know. We go make.
So guys, at this point we are set, okay? So I'll go ahead and put this back into the fridge, okay? And then show you the other stuffs I bought. So I bought some onions. I got myself cocoa, okay? And this is sea salt, some melon seeds, and then I got myself some agushi, some shrimp cubes, contomere, and then some dry fish, okay? And I got myself some crabs. And what again? And then we decided to prepare jollof because we were so hungry. I told my sister to chop all the vegetables, okay? The vegetable we are going to use in preparing the jollof. So guys, we are going ahead to blend our vegetables, okay? Those pepper, tomatoes, and then bell pepper, the red one. So that's our beef. So I'll go ahead and add all my spices, okay? So I added all pepper spice, some garlic, some ginger, and then some salt, some parsley, and then I added some water, and then I covered it and put it on the stove, okay? So I don't want any stock from this beef, so I'll make sure that all the water is absorbed, okay? So I get it the juicy way I want. So I fry it with some butter, all right? I didn't actually want to use oil to fry it. I used some butter to fry, like a stir fry kind of, because I wanted it very juicy, and I really got it like that. So guys, try it. So at this point, let's prepare our stew for the jollof, okay? So I'll go ahead and put my blended onions, some garlic, some ginger, and then I will stir, okay? Then I'll add my blended pepper, tomatoes and everything, okay? Now I'll stir it very well, and I'll add my tomato paste, and I'll stir it, okay? So I'm very hungry, so I added my spices, okay? I added all pepper spice, some curry powder, salt, shrimp cubes, yes, and then I stirred it very well, and I cooked for about 10 minutes, and I added the beef, okay, to it, and I added the rice, and I stirred, like I fried the rice for about 3 minutes, okay, and I added water to it. So guys, at this point I was just praying for a miracle because I was so hungry. Like, we got to a point where we have to add the vegetables, and I was like, hallelujah. So guys, it's ready. It's ready. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like if this video makes sense. Bye.